Hello friends, this is Aishwar and you're watching Never Settle channel. This video is about English speaking. Uh, the challenge day, I think it is the 8th day. I didn't do continuous videos. That's why I'm doing videos on. If I have time, I am doing videos. Okay, today topic is health, because everyone normally I'm at 28 age. Now my age is 27. In this age everyone have body fat or if uh, they are not in fit, they are not fit. Almost everyone will have fat and they are not fit, so that's why we need to take care of our health. Normally every human being can live 100 years healthy life. After 50 years they called that it is childhood and young and old people. After 50 years everyone will call us as old people, but we are not if we don't have fitness in our body, then we can't do anything. That's why in our India most people are not in fit, because that's why they don't do their own works and they don't have the capability to do works and do something new. We can live 100 years with healthy life. We can do 100 years we can do 100 years work. I saw so many videos. One woman with 104 years, she did the skydiving. I saw recently video on Instagram, and also so many old people do their daily jobs like cooking, and so many people do their daily jobs because they are fit. They're already 90 plus years and they are fit because they build their life in a way that they can live more than years in healthy and fit life. Every person can live almost 100 years and 100 years with healthy and fit life. The main reason people are getting fat and they are not healthy because the lifestyle and the food culture, and also they don't do exercises or any warm-ups in daily basis. That's why they don't have fit body, non fit body and non-healthy body. They have non-healthy body. Okay, if you eat healthy food daily and also uh, do some exercises or warm-ups daily, then you will live longer life. And you will do if you live longer life, you can do lot more things in your life. uh, from nature we get naturally only water and some fruits and some meat directly from nature. We don't have salt and other stuff like fried food and processed food, etc. So if you avoid some foods, then you can live longer life with a healthy lifestyle and you can do lot more things in your life. Normally our body saves some fat for future assistance. um, our body build like if we don't have food in future, it will take the energy from the fat and we can survive with that. So that's the reason our body will store fat in our body. our body will store fat in our body at the stomach or our hips and in etc parts. So fat is okay, but extra fat is not okay. We need to remove our fat from our body because it will cause body out of shape. If you are out of shape, then you can't wear normal clothes. Wear normal. No, you can't stay a stylish life. You can't live a stylish life if you have fat in your body. So that's why you need to burn your fat first, and also you need to grow your muscles also. I'm also not a healthy boy. I am my BMI is 20, almost 20. Approximately it is 20. uh, it is okay, but if you gain some muscles it will be more attractable. So you need to gain some muscles in for your body, not the fat. If you want to live a healthy life, then you need to do three simple steps in your life. First one is sleep. You need to sleep almost 6 to 8 hours in a day. If you sleep only 4 hours or 5 hours in a day, you can't live a healthy lifestyle. You need to live more than 6 hours or 8 hours in a day. It is the best option. And also you need to do some warm up or some exercises. You don't need to go everyday gym. It's not that's also you can do if you have time. But if you don't have time, yeah, it's okay. You can walk for 20 minutes or 30 minutes daily, or you can run for 20 minutes or 30 minutes or daily, or you can do push-ups 10 minutes a daily, or you can go for a swim, or you can do something like you can burn some calories from your body. And also main point is eat healthy food only. Don't eat fat food and don't eat non-healthy food. Here we get a question, what is healthy and what is non-healthy. Okay, we need to do some research on this. Okay, I will do a video on this topic because it is more helpful to me and also you to which food is healthy and which food is non-healthy. I try to do some research on this healthy food topic. Normally if you try to eat natural food like fruits, and try to eat natural food, natural things, though, then you can stay healthy life. Something like if you eat processed food, it's not healthy. If you eat some food that only cooked, then it will healthy. Something like if you have potato, then it will only cooked, it will only boiled and it will only cooked once, and you can eat, it is healthy. Normally it is healthy. uh, other thing is, if you eat a potato chips packet, it's not healthy because it is processed food. In this packet, you in that packet we have so many chemicals to store that food in lot many days. So try to eat healthy food. And also one thing is, don't eat so much food. Eat only 80%. It will it will stay you in healthy life. Eat more times in a day and eat less. It is the better option. Eat 5 times in a day and eat only 80% of your stomach, then it will give you a healthy lifestyle. It is the better way to live a healthy life. And also you need to do some exercises in daily or not daily basis. If you walk around 20 minutes in a day, it is enough. For 1 kilometer or 2 kilometers or 3 kilometers, it is enough. And if you walk 2-3 kilometers daily, and if you eat non-healthy foods like processed foods and pizzas, burgers, then there is no point. So eat healthy and eat do exercises daily, and sleep 8 hours a day. This is the main 3 points to live a healthy life. Okay, if you do these 3 points, you can live almost longer life, because uh, this these 3 points do only in a day, or only in 2 days or 3 days, only in one year. It will not affect you. It will not affect you on you. If you do continuously for lot many years, it will show effects on your body and your lifestyle. So try to do these things. Okay, this is my advice, and I do I am also follow these 3 steps daily. So now I am healthy, but I want to gain some weight also. I need to eat some healthy food also, and also I wanted to do so many things in life. So if, okay, this is the video of 8th वीडियो. बाय बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.